If you notice that visitors abandoning your sign-up process, it's usually for one simple reason. You are probably asking for too much too soon. We all know that long forms destroy the user experience. In fact, statistics shows that over two-thirds of users will drop off if the sign-up feels like an interrogation. But here's the dilemma. As a product manager or a business owner, you need that data. You need that data for personalization, for security, or to know your customer better. So how to get the data you need without killing the conversion rates? This is where Progressive Profile comes in. It allows you to collect just the bare minimum at the sign up to get them through the door, and then incrementally gather the rest of the data over time during future logins. Now here's the competitive advantage. Different from other CIAM platforms from the market that require you to write custom code or JavaScript snippets to build this logic, with Next Identity, this is entirely no code. Here you can see the list of user journeys that you can define for your product. And if I click Edit, we are able to see all different features that we can add to the journey. And the one that we are focusing right now, the Progressive Profile. And how does it work? You just need to click here in Progressive Profile in the feature palette, and it will be added to the login flow. Then, with that, you catch the user when you already have their attention. And Next Identity is smart because it automatically detects what data you already have. So if a user provided their email at the registration, we will not annoy them by asking for it again. We only prompt for the missing pieces, for example, a phone number or job title. Then what we have to do is to configure the Progressive Profile step. We just need to click here to edit, and then we are going to have a couple of options. One of them is to define if users are going to be able to skip this step or if we want this to be mandatory. In our case, let's keep this mandatory. And then we also have the fields of this step. We have some predefined fields, and we also have the option to add a custom field. In our case, let's just use the country name, and then what we have to do is to save the change. And how does it look like in the final application? Let's check that. I'll create a new user and then try to log in with this account. I will click here, and I'm redirected to the application, and then I will register a new account. I will activate that account and finish my registration. I am signed in now. And now let's check how would be the login experience. I will sign in with that account. And then I'm prompted with the Progressive Profile. Here I need to complete the country name. Once I complete this, I will be signed in. The result, you get the rich customer profiles you need, and your users get the fast and easy experience they expect. Stop losing users to long forms and start building relationships progressively. If you like this video, like it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.